Prairie Urban Farm is a community farm that departs quite a bit from a lot of other community farms in that we do everything collectively here. All of the research that we do it's applied, it's really student focused. One of the most exciting things for me out here is seeing like the intercultural and the intergenerational sort of sharing of information and knowledge when people come out here. So we have a lot of people who come out who, don't know what a tomato plant looks like. And on the other hand, we have a number of individuals who come out who are, third, fourth generation farmers from all over the world who just have an explosion of knowledge and experience that they bring to bear, and we share that together. We were late getting out here because we had to develop some safety protocol that had to be evaluated and approved before we can come out here, and of course we're implementing those safety protocol now. On the flip side of that, I would say we've had a better social response than ever. We've had more volunteers than we've ever had before, and I think because of the pandemic, a lot of people, just had a little bit of a mental regroup and really thought about, what's important for themselves and for and for how they want to contribute to their community. And so it's really been quite lovely in that respect. We only have 1.5 acres, and so we are under no preconceptions that we're going to feed Edmonton on 1.5 acres of land. We do give away a lot of our produce to groups like the Campus Food Bank, like the Edmonton Food Bank, like the Youth Emergency Shelter, a number of Indigenous communities as well. And so that's kind of number one, is immediate food production. We distribute food to people in need. I have a particular soft spot in my heart for a lot of our international graduate students who often come with families and are, in a really precarious situation. And so I've been particularly happy to be able to contribute to their food security and their families. And so we have a lot of those individuals who come out and help, but we also give a lot of food to that community. But I think the most important thing that we can offer is, not only building the capacity for people to produce their own food, whether that's on their balcony or in, their 1/4 acre, but, a greater awareness and sensitivity to our agri-food systems, and so they can make better choices when they go to the store, so that they can, be more sensitive to the plight of farmers, and so that maybe we can start to build relationships, more positive and meaningful relationships between people who are living in cities and people who are working on farms. So it's not all about let's grow tomatoes on the rooftop, even though I love that.
That's a really great point.